Gemini CLI is easy to underestimate because the surface is familiar, a prompt in a terminal.
But the important thing is not the prompt.
The important thing is proximity.
A terminal agent sits near your files, your package manager, your test commands, and sometimes your credentials.
The Doramagic way to read this project is to start with boundaries. What can it inspect? What can it edit? What commands can it run? What account is it using? If those questions are vague, the first successful demo can still leave you with a risky workflow. My first run path is intentionally small.
Open a disposable repository or a clean branch. Ask for one narrow change, something like updating a README section or adding one test. Then watch three things: the commands it chooses, the files it touches, and the final git diff.
The trap is terminal confidence.
When an agent speaks from a terminal, it can sound more certain than a web chat because it can actually run commands.
That does not make every command appropriate. Package installs, broad formatters, and recursive edits should be treated as decisions, not background noise. Authentication is the next practical detail.
Before a long session, confirm which account, project, or quota the CLI is using. A local agent that silently switches context can create hard-to-debug failures later.
For day one use, I would not ask Gemini CLI to redesign a whole codebase.
I would ask it to explain a failing test, make one small patch, run the targeted test, and show the diff.
That gives you evidence without handing over too much surface area.
My verdict: Gemini CLI is useful when you want an AI agent inside the developer loop, close to real commands and real files. The safe pattern is clean branch, narrow task, visible commands, targeted verification, and a human review of the diff before anything ships.